Hello YouTubers, I'm Colin and welcome to another episode of TamiyaTruckBuilding. In part 12 I'm going to complete stages 24 to 27, which will see the gearbox and motor connected together with an outer casing. And then the whole unit will be mounted in the chassis along with the prop shaft. I'll also be running up the motor to test the gearbox is working correctly. I've rigged up the electrics on this so that we can just test the motor, the gearbox, the drive shaft and the back axle, and of course we can test the steering while we're at it as well. So I've plugged in the steering servo, which is this one here, and this one here is the gear servo. This is my speed controller, on off switch, battery, receiver, and of course transmitter. I haven't assigned them to any particular sticks or anything at the moment, so you may want the throttle off the left hand stick. I think the way I've wired it, it's off the right hand one at the moment. Transmitter on first. Make sure we're on the particular model, which is this one. Switch this on. Lights come on the receiver, lights come on the speed controller. So let's just have a try, shall we? So the throttle works in both directions. There's the steering. Steering works nicely. Now the gears should be off this one here. Yep, you can see the gear servo moving. Pretty sure you should be able to see that. Just move it over a little bit. The thing to watch here is that this is set up properly so that the gears select properly. You have in effect 3 positions: when it's fully out, that lever, when it's in its normal position in the middle, and when it's pulled the other side. So when the servo is in the neutral position, it is in effect in second gear. First gear pulls the rod in, so let's pull that in first. You can see now for the high speed for the motor, the shaft doesn't turn that fast. Should now go into second gear. We see the shaft is turning faster for the same speed of motor. And into third gear. The shaft will now spin very fast. Back in the second gear. Sometimes you'll get a click like that when it doesn't quite go in. Got a bit of a basic gearbox. I don't have sync or mesh on them, so occasionally you get the odd clonk when the gears go in. That's quite normal. First gear and reverse as well, and back to second gear. If you find that when the motor's turning the shaft isn't, there's a possibility that the gears are slightly out of mesh. If you imagine 2 gears need to locate on top of each other, if they just miss each other slightly or just catch the end, you'll get it chattering, or it probably won't connect at all. If that's the case, you just need to identify whether you need to extend the length of this arm slightly. It may mean that you need to alter the throw of the servo from within the software on your transmitter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel please. Bye for now.